Welcome to our guide on unlocking hidden features in Roblox. Today, we'll explore some exciting script hacks you may not know about. First, let's dive into what script hacks are. These are modifications that players can use to unlock various possibilities within the game. Now, let's discover the top script hacks that allow you to unlock characters and rare items, making your gameplay more thrilling. Custom scripts can take your Roblox experience to another level. Let's explore how to use these for enhanced gameplay. As exciting as script hacks are, we must talk about safety. Here are essential precautions to avoid bans while using them. Let's take a look at a step-by-step guide on how to implement script hacks safely and effectively. Now, let's examine some real-life examples where script hacks were put to use, showcasing their impact in action. Want to find new scripts? Here are some community resources where you can discover the latest and greatest hacks. The future of scripting in Roblox is bright. Let's discuss the upcoming trends and updates you should look out for. In conclusion, script hacks can significantly enhance your Roblox experience. So go ahead, explore, and have fun.